Hey guys, it's Jesse with Daydream Design and Build here in North Metro Atlanta. Just jumping on here to talk a little bit about our custom cut to fit natural stone and what sets us apart from the next guy selling stone. We're not just selling stone, we're also designing these projects. We're here from the time we start thinking about them with the contractor or the homeowner, the questions, the drainage, the designing, the permits. We can help manage them and even help furnish not only the material but pull that team together so this stuff gets installed correctly. And that starts with design, and as you can see right here, I got a design. It's not too pretty, but what is it? It is every single piece for a project, from stair treads to pavers to steppers to edging to split face wall material, capstones for walls, coping. Every single piece, as you can see, has been thought about in this model. It has from columns for the pavilion. Right here you can see standing fireplace, capstones, everything. You can see right here that everything has been thought about. It hasn't just been a random guess. Unlike precasted concrete products, not saying those are bad, they serve their place, but the waste for those is a lot cheaper than the waste for natural stone. So when the contractor or masons get our material, it should be like Legos going together, that it's like, all this has been thought about. There, it comes in organized, labeled correctly. And this project even has a cool detail. Every capstone has a specific channel cut into it for strip lighting. So just small details that take these projects to a completely different place than just your average project. So if this is something that you're looking to connect with us about, partner with us, reach out to us, DM us, jump on our website, connect with us, or just give us a call. We're local here in North Metro Atlanta, serving the Southeast. We can stretch up to the north area as well, towards New Jersey, New York. We have a branch up there. So yeah, just jump in, and we'd love to connect and work on a project together. Hopefully this was behind the scenes look at what we got going on and why working with the right team is important. We're not just stone salesmen, we're a resource for outdoor living, interior projects for stone, exterior, and then we also design just the outdoor living space, pools, and just outdoor living areas for your family and friends to have a good time in and make some memories. So you guys have a blessed week. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you stuck with it, and we'll see you on the next one.